So hi everyone. Today we will solve the GFG's daily history question, buildings with sunlight. So in this question we are given the array of heights of certain buildings that lie adjacent to each other. Sunlight starts falling from the left side of the building. If there is a building of a certain height, all the buildings to the right of it have lesser height cannot see the sun. So basically what this question is trying to say that okay, I will explain you just. So this is the set of buildings which we are having. So the question is saying that the sunlight will start falling from the left side of the buildings. From this building to this building, this building, this building, and like that, so on. So if the left of the building is smaller than the right, then only the light will go to the next building. We have to count that how many buildings are receiving the light. So in this case, this building will receive, this will receive, not this one. This will receive, not this one, and this will also receive, not this one, not this one, and this will receive. Why so? Because left of these buildings are smaller and they are, and right of these buildings are higher, so they will receive the sunlight. Okay. So basically in this question, we have to count that how many buildings are receiving the sunlight. So this is a pretty simple question. What we will do in this question, I will tell you now. So, basically, what we will do, we will like make a count over here and make a base condition. So what is my base condition? My base is this building. Everything will start from here only. So I will take my base and I will iterate. I will make my base as 0. Base is equal to, I will make it as 0. Count I will make as 0. So we will be using a for loop. For loop we will be using, and it will go from 0 to the length of the array, and there we will compare. So with the base. So I will compare like if my ARR of I is greater or equal to base, which will be obviously because base is 0 here and ARR will be having some value, this will be having obviously some length. So this what I will do, I will increase my count by 1, count plus plus. Okay, and what next thing I will do, I will also increase my base. My base will become ARR of I, and once this will happen, I will return return the count. So let's do a dry run for it. If this building is I will give it a value 3, 5, 4, 6, 4, 3, 7. So I will not do for every, for one I will do. So I will, my for loop is going from I is equal to 0 to ARR of length. So ARR of I here is 0. ARR of 0 is 3 right now. So is 3 greater than base? Yes, 3 is always is greater than 0. So I will increase my count to 1. So, and my base will become ARR of I. Now my base from 0, it has become 3. And my AR for index I, and it will, the count is 1 now. It will go to next, is 5 now, is 5 is greater than 3? Yes, it is. Now my count will become 2 and my brace will be increased by 2, 5. And for 4 is less than, so count will not increase. 6 is greater than, yes, count will increase, and so on. Okay, so this was the intuition of this question, and let's do down the coding of this question. So let me start. I am taking my int base is equal to 0, int count is equal to 0. for int I is equal to 0, I is less than ARR length I plus b. If ARR of I is greater than equal to base, yes, it is, obviously it is. So what will happen? My count will increase. And what will happen? ARR. And my base will become ARR of I. What the value is inside this 6 to 8, it will come inside my base. And then I will just return my count. Pretty simple question. So what will this count will having all the buildings which are receiving sunlight, like here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will return the count will be 4 over here. In this question, 1, 2, 3 buildings are receiving. So my count will be over here 3. So it is like that. Okay. So now let's run it. Okay, I forgot the semicolon over here. And let's now submit it. Yeah, so it's completed. So, so this was the question and this was the solution of it. It was the easy mark question and very easy it was. So, thank you guys and thank you guys.